Dave, I haven't had a chance to talk to you in the last few weeks since all the demonstrations for social justice have been going on. We're continuing to see inflows into ESG. I know that this is only tangentially ESG related to social justice issues, but it's the closest thing we've got. I'm wondering if you can comment on that and whether this will give additional push to ESG and maybe put a little more emphasis on the social and governance part of ESG rather than just the environmental, which a lot of people seem to have emphasized in the past.
Yeah, there's no question. You know, we talk to advisors every week in our practice, and we're hearing from them over and over again. They want to understand how to present ESG to their clients. They want to be able to have that conversation. And the honest truth here, Bob, is there's always a catalyst. The catalyst right now is what we're seeing in terms of the Black Lives Matter movement and the social unrest issues. And those are very real, and they do get some focus. But when we're talking about broad ESG funds, it's important to point out these aren't one-size-fits-all products. Some of these funds are very much market-like with small tweaks. Some of them are very, very specific to women in governance or very specific environmental causes. So I think the important thing is the interest is there. We're seeing the flows for the first time. And like everything else, you really have to do your homework, whether you're an advisor or an investor, to understand whether the values you're trying to project through your investments are actually captured in that strategy.
Yeah, Phil, just give me 20 seconds on that and your thoughts. How do we get that the demand for social justice that is so prevalent today and so right to be concerned about? How do we get that showing up more in not only stock picking, but I guess ESG in general? I'm asking the same question, more on the social and governance part rather than as much impact or emphasis has been in the past on environmental.
Yeah, I mean, it's a chicken and egg debate in a way. What you want is so much money chasing those good factors that the corporates themselves want to project better factors and behave better. In Europe, they're actually further along on that track. They've got a lot more ESG money tracking those funds. And once you get that, you start to get people buying the stocks because they've got good governance or good social or good environmental policies. And that's what you really need.
Yeah, I'm just hopeful that the people who construct the ESG, remember, those are constructs and there's weightings in them, whether the weightings on social justice issues become equally as important. As you guys know, you can construct these any way you want.